Are you looking for a garage door repair in Katy, Texas? Tired of dealing with broken, beat up, or just worn out garage doors? If so, then you've come to the right place. All you have to do is call the Garage Door Repair Experts of Katy at 713-714-0254. We service all of Katy, Texas and the surrounding cities. We service all major brands and even provide 24-hour emergency service when needed. In addition to garage door repair, we also specialize in new garage door installations with a large variety of styles and colors to choose from. Either way, our experienced team of experts are here to help. We do it right the first time around using the highest quality products and service technicians. Plus, all of our work is guaranteed. We're the garage door experts in Katy, Texas, and we're here to help. Call now for a free estimate by dialing 713-714-0254, or you can find us online at www.garagedoorrepairkaty.org.